Math skills with Zach.
What's up, guys? It's me, Zach Axe, here to give you a little tip on doing, a little bit of a graphing calculator tip. Of course, I believe right now this is only going for the TI-84 Plus, or maybe just a normal TI-84, which probably most of you don't care about, but if you're doing probability, you're going to care a little bit. Take a look. Alright, so first off, of course, what you're going to want is, well, a working TI-84 graphing calculator. So the way you're going to do a simulation of probability, like with a dice or a coin, how they sometimes do it in class, the way you can do it is right here on the apps button. If you push the apps button, it'll bring you up to this list of the applications that you can use on it, which none of these really seem like they help, or I haven't used them except for when going to number 0, the prob sim, or probability simulation. So then what you're going to push is, you can either push enter or 0. Personally, I just push 0. So you're going to push 0, and it's going to bring up this page. It's going to say probability simulation version 1.1, or it may be a newer version, or possibly even an older version. But then what you're going to do after that is you're going to push enter, and it's going to take you up to a page that looks like this. And you can do a coin toss, you can do a dice roll. Personally, I'm going to do the pick marbles thing is another thing where it's like, ugh. And so I'm going to do the coin toss. So then a way you can do it is then what you do, you push the OK button, and whenever it gives you this like little like board right here, what you're going to use these 5 keys for like OK or escape and yes or no or quit. No, I'm not going to quit. Anyway, and so to start off, you're going to push the OK. And it's going to take you to a screen like this. And the way you can toss is you can actually either push enter, which I found works. So I'm going to do that again. You push enter, and it'll give you the H or the T, heads of course being H, T of course being tails. Now, granted, this is a calculation, and it's obviously very easy to do it on your own, but then here you can just escape or something. Escape having to use that, you can just push toss, and it'll toss. It'll be heads, like toss. That number, the window key will always be toss. Now, a way you can exit out of this is you're going to push escape, or Y equals. Doesn't seem to work. There we go. And it say this will clear all trials from the memory. Granted, this is just the trials that you just did, so don't worry. Are you sure? Yes. So then a way you're going to quit out of it completely is you're going to push graph. Are you sure you want to quit? And you will say yes or no, depending on whether you're using it or not. So you're going to push. I'm going to push yes, and then you can just get back to, 8 being or 5 being parentheses, 6 times 9 parentheses plus something, quit. Alright, anyway, that's that. Guys, this was math skill number 1. I will probably have some more for you later. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you, and have an awesome day.